How to add someone on Snapchat on computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add someone on Snapchat on computer. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you're trying to add someone on Snapchat on computer, maybe you're using Snapchat web, it doesn't let you do so because the web has very limited features. So we have to use the mobile app. So to use the mobile version app on our desktop, we will need an Android emulator known as BlueStacks. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Make sure you download BlueStacks and then you open BlueStacks and there you'll find Google Play Store and then you can simply search for Snapchat in this case here. And once you search for Snapchat, you will see play on app player. So you can just click on play on app player. Then you'll be able to open Snapchat over here. And once you open up Snapchat, you'll be able to log in. And once you have done this, you can simply go to this add friends section from the top right as you would do on your mobile phone. And then now you can go ahead and choose to add some friends if you recognize or maybe you don't recognize for some reason. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically add someone on Snapchat on PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.